This is Brandon with Top Notch Mobile Repair. We have a 2018 Range Rover Sport, and we're doing the front brake pads and rotors. First and foremost, you want to take off the cap for the brake reservoir. Take that cap off, but you have to take off these clips, which consists of 4 of these. Just turn and twist and it pops out, and you can get this cover off. Okay, once you do that, you want to jack up your vehicle. Okay, this vehicle is on a little incline, so I put a little stopper, there for the tire, so the vehicle doesn't move. And make sure you put your jack stand in the right position, look point area, and then you can take with the wheel. The bolts for this is going to be a 22mm deep socket to get the wheel off. Once you get the wheel off, then you want to make sure to turn the wheel to the right side so you can access the brake pads. Okay. Before you do anything with the rotor, with the caliper, you want to take this, the T50 bolt, you want to take out. You could use an impact gun or use an impact driver to get this bolt out. Don't use any other socket, because you will round the inside of this bolt, and then that'll be a bigger problem. Okay, once you do that, then you're gonna use 2 screwdrivers and wedge the pry bar and screwdriver like so. Wedge them in between there, and then you're gonna just push it out all the way out until it can't go anymore. And then once you do that, you have this plate. Be careful, because this will fly and hurt you, because it is a spring. So it's gonna be like this, right? It's gonna be like that. Okay, so when you take off this top one, make sure you hold this plate, this little spring plate, because this thing, like I said, will shoot out and maybe hit you in the face, and you don't want that. So what you do is, to get these little pins out, you could use like a little punch, or what I did, because I didn't have it on, a punch on me, what I did was use this little Phillips screwdriver. Just put it in between here like that, and then just push it out. Just tap it out. Okay, once you get it out enough, you could just pull this piece out. Then you just put that to the side. All right. Then you're gonna work on this 13mm bolt. You do here, you just break this loose. Take this out, put it to the side, then you just slide this out. Then you just move to the side. What I would recommend doing is getting a wire brush and maybe lubricating these with some brake lubricant grease. Okay, and once you do that, now all you gotta do is just slide these brake pads out, and then you want to get some brake cleaner. The customer didn't get brake cleaner, so you gotta kind of like wipe it out. But yeah, you want to just wiggle these out. See how bad the pads were? So dust all this out, get a rag, clean it out. So you clean it out, then we're gonna put the new brake pads on, and repeat the steps. And then once I get the pads and everything back together, I'm gonna show you how to take off the rotor. It's fairly simple, okay?